Today's recipe is a traditional dessert, one of my favorite Middle Eastern sweets, are well known and are very famous in Arabic world. Yes, today I am making Kunafa cheese cupcakes, the most loved and the most celebrated. It comes with various fillings and shapes. If Kunafa sheets are not available, you can also go with vermicelli. So let's see how to make it. Add 250 ml full fat milk in a saucepan. I have not turned on the flame yet. Goes in 2 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoons sugar. Give this a very nice mix. Do not turn on the flame. First mix these 3 ingredients properly. There should be no lumps. At this point, switch on the flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence and 100 grams of cream cheese. Now mix this nicely. And now cook this for at least 1 minute in a slow flame. Once done, switch off the flame and set this aside. Now let's make sugar syrup. Add half cup water in a saucepan. Half cup sugar. Mix well. And now I'm going to add half teaspoon lemon juice to avoid crystallization. Bring it to boil. Goes in 1 teaspoon rose water. Now mix well and set this aside. Next step is to finely shred 1 pack of phyllo dough into small pieces. You can also use food processor to shred it. You can also use vermicelli if you don't find kunafa dough. And now I'm going to add 1 cup butter. Add pinch of color, it's optional. Mix this and set this aside. And I'm going to add on to kunafa dough. Mix well until all pieces are coated with butter. Grease the cupcake tin with butter. Then place a tablespoon of shredded kunafa dough at the bottom of each cupcakes. And now preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 5 minutes. Once you are done with baking, now place about 1 or 2 heaped tablespoons of the prepared filling. And next top up with shredded kunafa dough. Again bake this for 10 to 12 minutes. Once done, remove from the oven. Garnish with pistachios. Immediately pour sugar syrup over each kunafa, depending on how sweet you like it. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Then pop them in the fridge for 3 hours to set before enjoying. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please give a big thumbs up below and give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.